Okay, so here's another box from Klymit for our commercial photography shoot, and let's open this guy up and see what's in this one. Nice. Looks like we've got a sleeping bag here. So right off the bat, I noticed it comes with a nice compression sack, which is great because it is a fairly large sleeping bag. This is the KSB 15, so the 15 in the model number denotes the temperature rating, so it goes down to 15 degrees. It's 3.4 pounds, and it's 82 by 30 in size. It says it's a size large, but on the website I didn't see multiple sizes, but maybe they're coming out with additional ones in the future. This is a 3-season hybrid mummy sleeping bag. So a couple just quick features that I see right off the bat that are listed here on this panel is the stretch baffles and the length locks. And this is one thing that I love about Klymit products, is that they really innovate in each design. They don't just copy everybody else out on the market and put a crummy product out. They actually think through what types of features would benefit the user. And so it just makes your camping experience much more enjoyable. And it's these little details that really make a difference. So the stretch baffles is basically elastic in the bag that keeps warm insulation next to your body. And then when you move, if you sit up or move around during the night when you're sleeping, it does stretch with you, which is kind of nice. Then the length locks allow you to customize the length of the bag by 7 inches to 14 inches. And that is so that you can eliminate cold pockets in the night. So for someone like me who's a little bit shorter, a large bag like this, I'm going to need to use those length locks to eliminate all of those cold pockets in the bag. It does have a 2-year guarantee, and it is made with responsible down. So something that I really care about a lot. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. See what all we can see. And remember, this is not a full review. This is just kind of a first look at the bag. Already I love the colorways. This is really cool. Huh? Very nice. You'll see that the mummy hood actually is super nice. It's got a sweet zipper on it at first glance. It's got the neck baffle to keep you nice and warm. And I believe there's some kind of internal pocket in here as well, so I'll make sure and cover that in our review. And then there's the fabric where it will stretch with you as you move. Nothing too much at the bottom of the bag, just let's just say sleep outside. Okay, we'll do that. So we'll sleep outside, check this out, and I'll be back with a full review. Make sure you check down the description below. I'll leave some links to this product so you can check it out firsthand. And then once I post the review, that will be at an end card at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks very much.